Hi, my dear Virgos. Welcome to my channel, Dear Universe Tarot. I hope you're doing well. I'm really sorry for uploading this video a bit late, and because I was not in a proper mental state to, do this reading for you. So, the reading is about how is made for you. So, I've already pre shuffled the cards. The first three cards you see here is your career. The next three cards you see here is your love, and this card here is the overall guidance or the message for the month of May. So let's start with your career. So the cards that I've got is the Seven of Cups, the King of Wands, and the Chariot. So firstly, I feel a lot of Virgos seem very confused on what do they want or what do they want to choose or how they want to go about in their career life, because there are so many options here, but here this person looks a little astonished or little, unable to make a choice. So that is what I'm feeling, that quite a lot of you Virgos probably would be stuck in such a situation on what do you need, or a confused state of mind on what how do you go about this. Because I've also got this card called the Chariot, and which says that there might be some obstacles or conflicting thoughts in your mind, which might be kind of being an obstacle for your journey. Because here in the Chariot, if you can see, there are two colors which are quite opposite of each other. One is white, the other one is black. So this represents two different thoughts or conflictive thoughts. And here, the Chariot, you can see that he is a very, he's a very confident person. He knows how to handle things. So the same goes with you guys. It's that you have a blessing. You have a blessing to go about these obstacles and just go ahead with life. But all you have to do is you have to know how to deal with this conflict of thoughts and just go ahead. And also, this is a normal tendencies of Virgos. Even I'm a Virgo, so I'm also a Virgo. So we tend to have a lot of thoughts on mind, and we tend to overthink, overanalyze things. So it's similar to this, like there's a lot of overthinking, there's a lot of lot of confusion. So when we as people, we have to get through it in order to achieve good things in our career life. So if you guys do this, and I think that there are chances that you would achieve this King of Wands energy. King of Wands energy is someone who's very ambitious, who's very much confident on how he takes decisions and how he goes about with his life or career. So, when you tend to channelize these thoughts or these conflicts or these confusions, you have a chance to get into this powerful King of Wands energy where you're very confident and you know what to do. So, that is what I'm seeing for you in terms of your career. And the next cards I've got is the relationship or the love reading, which is it says keep an open mind, give your relationship a chance, and express your love. So these are quite interconnected, to be honest. Probably your relationship has been on a bad phase or has been on a break or something. There are some problems. So all it says is that you have to express your love to your partner. It says go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So when you do this, all you have to do is that you have to keep an open mind, because at times, we tend to have a feeling, we tend to have this thoughts and expectations of how a relationship is to be, but then we have to keep an open mind on how things will turn out for us. So don't have a lot of a closed or boundaries that your relationship should be like this, but it's advising you to keep an open mind And when you keep an open mind, that even though if it differs from your expectations, things will go smooth for you. So that is what I've got, this keep an open mind card. And also I've got the card give your relationship a chance. So it's all connected, as you can see, is that when you are giving your relationship a chance, it says work on your partnership. So when you give your relationship a chance, make sure that you express your love, but at the same time keep an open mind on how things work out for you, other than your expectations. So this is what I've got for you in terms of love. I hope I'm clear. And the next card I've got here is the Y card, which is your overall energy or overall guidance. So a lot of you might be having a certain vision or a motive, like you have certain goals or ambitions. So for that ambitions to be reached, you have to be so clear that why you want that ambition, why you want to reach that ambition, or why you want that particular result. So for example, be it a new job, so why do you want that new job, what is the reason? So when you are so clear about it, the universe makes it completely available to you. And also in terms of relationship, when you are thinking that you want a person, and when you ask yourself that why you want that person, and why, the reason why, of why you want that person, that is when things are more clearer, then the universe will provide it for you. And as same of it goes for every other situations as well. So all it says is that you have to be clear on why you want that particular result or particular motive or particular ambition. So when you're clear, things will be brought to you by the universe, is what I'm seeing as the overall message or guidance for the month of May. So that is all I've got. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I also take private sessions for you, and you can reach me out on Instagram, WhatsApp, or through my email ID. And all the details are mentioned in the description box below, so you can reach out to me for your private sessions, and I would love to do it. And yeah, so I hope you all stay safe, and meet you in the next video. Bye.